Welcome everyone. Good evening. Good evening. My name is Brother Dahveed. We are the co-organizers of the Africa for the Africans, Opportunities in Africa Business and Investment Conference. We want to welcome everyone. We started a little late because of the dinner, but we're thankful that you're here. Our people came all the way across the ocean, thousands of miles, just to be with us. And I'm thankful that they're here. They're coming in slowly from the restaurant. As always, we like to open up with praises and thanks to the Most High. Traditionally in Africa, we don't do anything without acknowledging the Creator, so we'd like to call on Dr. Osari to officially open us up. Dr. Osari.
Could we stand? Oh Creator, you know we as Africans, we make time, so even if we are late, just forgive us. And those who will make flimsy excuses not to come, just forgive them and bless them. We are here to further the cause of uniting ourselves, because it's the greatest duty we can do. You never created us to be separated, and if by history or then of the activities of other people we have separated, we are making an effort, and we know that all your energies in us will be united to make this dream come true, so that even if not in our lifetime, in several lifetimes to come, it will still be said that these people lead a wealthy life that was it. Blessed in all that is being done today. Bless this investment that is being coming. Bless the minds of the people who want to repatriate here to be with us. Bless those who have been able to repatriate here to be with us. Bless those of us who will have a big heart to receive them and not to be looking at a lot of the mistakes that we have done. We have been hypnotized to look at the mistakes and emphasize the mistakes of one another, and that has made us not to move forward. We want to move forward. So we are now going to look at the good points we have. And the good points is that we have the same color, we have the same mind, we are going to eat the same food, we are going to enjoy the same breeze, the same herbs, and finally we are going to think the same positive Afro-mental attitude that will move us forward to the land of peace and blessedness. Thank you all. Thank all the deities and spirits that God has made, ancestors and everybody. Thank everybody for being present and blessing us. And when our brothers are going back, bless them to go back and let them be successful in planning and executing their plan of coming back, or investing at least on the motherland. Ashe.
Ashe. All right. Let's give a round of applause. Very thankful to have Dr. Osari with us, because he's such a great warrior for Africa. He's a great man, and we're blessed to have him here, and not only for this conference in 2016, but he's always there, even since 2003. We was working together on different conferences on health and wellness, and he's a great soldier. As always, we like to introduce those that really make this happen, you know, and of course, we could not be here if it wasn't for our brother Blue Money. Let's call him up to welcome him. We met a few years back, and he had a vision, and the vision was Africa for the Africans. So he'll tell you about the vision.
I appreciate your family, appreciate everybody taking the time to enjoy the journey around the country and to really just process everything as far as repatriation and investment. This is a session where we give you all of the clear details if you look to live and do business here in Ghana, and also connect you with the right people to help you move forward on your journey properly. So once again, family, enjoy and reach out and ask as much questions as possible, and they'll get answered.
Very good. Thank you very much. One thing about Blue Money, he don't talk much, but what he says, you know, you can rest assured that, you know, it's a lot. Sometimes it's not so much what you say, but it's what you don't say. And we hear what you say, and we hear what you don't say. you see, and that's very beautiful. We have a great panel of experts that we brought together. We have two from the Ghana government, the Ghana Investment Promotion Center and the Ghana Lands Department. We're really happy to have them here, and we're going to bring them on, and we're going to introduce the rest as we call them up for the sake of time. But first, we would like to bring up our brother that was with us a few years back. Then he got real busy. He's an expert on the lands department, lands in Ghana. You need to know the importance of land because they're not making any more land that I know of on the planet. And we have to be sure that we become land literate because we as a people have become, in my opinion, land illiterate. The biggest landowner in America is Ted Turner. He got over 6 million acres of land. And we must understand that we cannot continue to pay mortgage and pay rent and call ourselves a free people. So in Africa, we must own land. So this brother is going to show us how to own land, even if we don't live here. We can own land, and we can control our destiny. Malcolm X says, land is what we need. And this is what we have to be thankful for. So I'd like to bring on Brother Sofu Dankwa, who's one of the chief land experts in Ghana. He will have many of years of working in the Ghana Lands Department. So let's bring on Brother Sofu Dankwa.